Hartford, New Britain, West Hartford, Bristol, Enfield, Southington, Newington, Windsor, Agawam, Wethersfield, Farmington, Simsbury, Bloomfield, Berlin, Rocky Hill, Avon, Plainville, Longmeadow, Suffield, and Windsor Locks. This watch includes the following counties. In New Hampshire, service has issued severe effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Maine and Wisconsin. Include Kennebec, Knox, Lincoln, Oxford, Penobscot, Piscataqua, Saginaw, Somerset, Waldo, and York. And the following: Casco Bay, Maine. Coastal waters from Cape Elizabeth, Maine to the Merrimack River, Massachusetts, out 25 nautical miles. Coastal Maine waters from Stonington to Port Clyde, out 25 nautical miles. And coastal Maine waters from Port Clyde to Cape Elizabeth, out 25 nautical miles. And Belknap, Carroll, Cheshire, Coas, Grafton, Hillsborough, Merrimack, Rockingham, Stratford, and Sullivan, and the following counties in Vermont, Caledonia,
the KZC40 are
Orange,
usually good back here.
and Windsor. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions
Currently at
and
work
listen
until
for later
5,
statements
so
and
it'll
possible
be
warnings.
interesting to see if I can even
Stay
record
tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial
First
radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is the 490 effective for Lake Winnipesaukee.
There we go. I missed the first SVA for Mass Connecticut Rhode Island, but there's that at least.
Near Suffield to near Hartford to Southington, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Springfield, Hartford, New Britain, West Hartford, Manchester, East Hartford, Enfield, Southington, Glastonbury, Newington, Vernon, Windsor, Agawam, West Springfield, Wethersfield, Mansfield, South Windsor, Farmington, Bloomfield, and Berlin. Pomfret, Sterling, and Andover. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.
Very end of this one. Because I just like to document the weather alerts.
The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Grafton County in northern New Hampshire until 3 p.m. At 2:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Heather in Littleton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
I don't know what else to do.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Yeah, here, take the other side. I've got one more.
Bethlehem, Lincoln, Aberdeen,
Franconia,
Woodstock, Lisbon,
I'm definitely going inside.
Benton, Easton, Livermore, Landa,
Yep.
Sugar Hill,
I'll let you know if I find
location, Waterville Valley, Lyman, Monroe, and Thornton. This includes
Alright, close down
Interstate
our drive
93 between mile markers
Blizzard's made
90
Rainbow
and
Thunder, even though
118.
it's just a little shower.
This also includes Franconia Notch, Mount Lucia Lock, Cannon Mountain, North Twin Mountain, and Franconia Ridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties: Austin, New York. This is no
Side note, unfortunately, because we were closing drive-ups, I also missed a severe thunderstorm warning for Holland and Wyndham, which included the threat for tennis ball-size hail, which does not normally happen around here in New England. Large hail is not common like that, so goddamn.
The National National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Windham County in northern Connecticut, northern Washington County in Rhode Island, Kent County in Rhode Island, Providence County in Rhode Island, until 3:30 p.m. time. At 2:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Eastford to near Plainfield to Preston, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Providence, Warwick, Cranston, Pawtucket, East Providence, Woonsocket, Coventry, Cumberland, North Providence, South Kingstown, West Warwick, Johnston, North Kingstown, Plainfield, Smithfield, Lincoln, Central Falls, Killingly, Burrillville, and Narragansett. The National Weather The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Coos County in northern New Hampshire, east central Grafton County in northern New Hampshire, northeastern Carroll County in northern New Hampshire, until 3:35 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles east of Lincoln, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is
My hands
expected.
look dirty as hell on camera.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
I promise I washed them.
Locations impacted include Conway, Bethlehem, Lincoln, Bartlett, Jackson, Albany, Chatham, Livermore, and Hart's location. This also includes Crawford Notch State Park, Kearsarge North, Mount Webster, Mount Kerrigan, and Mount Willie. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire: Carroll, Coos, and Grafton. The severe thunderstorm warning for the National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern, southeastern, northeastern Washington. The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Rockingham County in southern New Hampshire, southern Stratford County in central New Hampshire until 7:30 p.m. At 6:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wayne, Oregon, 10 miles south of Northwood, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rochester, Portsmouth, Durham, Exeter, Kittery, Northwood, Dover, Hooksett, Somersworth, Barrington, Brentwood, Greenland, Raymond, Willington, Newmarket, and Southwood. This includes Tennessee 95 in New Hampshire between mile markers 11 and 15. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire: Rockingham and Stratford.
Favorite big casino titles.
This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WNG 575, broadcasting on a frequency of 162. The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm thunderstorm warning for central Rockingham County in southern New Hampshire, southern Stratford County in central New Hampshire until 7:30 p.m. At 6:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Raymond, Oregon, 10 miles south of Northwood, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rochester, Portsmouth, Durham, Exeter, Kittery, Northwood, Dover, Hooksett, Somersworth, Barrington, Berwick, Epping, Brentwood, Greenland, Raymond, Newington, Newmarket, Stratham, Rye, and South Berwick. This includes Interstate 95 in New Hampshire between mile markers 11 and 15. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire: Rockingham and Stratford.
I know, I get
The
it.
National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Cape Elizabeth, Maine to Merrimack River, Massachusetts out 25 nautical miles until 8:30 p.m. At 7:20 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near York or near Portsmouth, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts at 40 knots. Source, radar.
Nice.
Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include York, Wells, and Portsmouth.